Hi, and welcome back to another amazing mouth delicious recipe. I am so glad you decided to join me today. Well, I have a really special one that is perfect for romantic dinners, or you just are craving that Italian chicken Parmesan. This is a fast and easy recipe for chicken Parmesan that you're gonna love. First, we are going to take a cookie sheet. I've got mine lined with parchment paper. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pour it, whoa, got a little carried away there. Pour it and just rub it all over the parchment paper at the bottom of your cookie sheet. Take our cookie sheet and stick it into a broiler that is set to high. Now that our pan is heated, we are going to take chicken breasts that have been cut in half horizontally, and it makes beautiful cutlets. So just lay that down on our hot cookie sheet, just like that. Now sprinkle them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're gonna take some fresh tomato that we have sliced and lay it right on top of those cutlets. All right, just a couple more. Perfect. Now we are going to stick them back into the broiler for a few minutes until the chicken is cooked completely through. So come on, let's stick it in. All right, now take a small bowl and put a cup of breadcrumbs in it, a whole package, about 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Put that in with the breadcrumbs, and a half cup of grated Parmesan. Throw that in there, and we are going to stir this all up, get it really nicely mixed, because it's going on top of our chicken as soon as it comes out of the oven. All right, so our chicken is done. It registered to an internal temperature of 165 degrees, which means it's cooked all the way through. Now all we need to do is take some fresh basil leaves and just lay them on top of our tomatoes and chicken. You're gonna need about 16 to 20 basil leaves. Now that breadcrumb mixture with the mozzarella and the Parmesan cheese, take it and sprinkle it right on top. This is gonna be so good. So good. Take 3 tablespoons of olive oil and drizzle it right on top so it gives that really golden color to the topping. Come back under the broiler for about 2 to 4 minutes so that it can get nice and toasty. Woo, they're spicy. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. And baby, I am telling you, this is some good food. The aroma is out of this world. Those broiled tomatoes, oh, I gotta get something to serve this up. Hold on. Ha! Spatula works really wonders. Oh, and a pot holder would be good too, because that pan's really hot. All right, doesn't this look scrumptious? I mean, the golden brown crust and you can smell the cheese on it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, which one do I dive into first? Oh, let's go for this one. This one looks really good. It smells just like chicken Parmesan. Not kidding you. Exactly like it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. So the chicken Parmesan is done and it smells amazing, amazing. You know, I love chicken Parmesan, but what I do not love is all the work it takes to get breaded chicken Parmesan. This recipe is going to change your life. I know it already has mine. I have chicken Parmesan more often than not now because of this recipe. And I love that because I do love Italian food. Oh my gosh. It is like I have a breaded chicken breast that I smothered in fresh marinara sauce with that gooey mozzarella with it. Oh my gosh, my mind is totally blown at how much this is a 30-minute replica of getting chicken Parmesan on your table tonight. Actually, you make this for any significant other on a special day like Valentine's Day or their birthday or an anniversary. They are gonna fall in love with you all over again. That fresh basil with the broiled tomato melts together to create that amazing marinara flavoring. Then you've got that little touch of olive oil and it is perfect. The mozzarella breadcrumb topping tastes exactly like a bread crusted Parmesan. I almost can't talk. It is really that good. I can't wait for you guys to try this. And it might be a really easy, great way to impress whoever. So definitely check out this recipe. You can thank me for it later. I love you. Mwah.